Hello, welcome to PH Maths. Number in focus on 3/4, 3/4. 3/4 is the almost there fraction, close to 1 but not quite, and it's the most common multiplier in compound depreciation questions. By the end of this video, you'll know how 3/4 runs every quartile 3 problem, every 25% off discount, and the famous Mercator style a quarter each year decay model. Quick identity check, 3/4 is positive, 3/4 is rational. As a decimal, it's 0.75, clean, terminating. As a percentage, it's 75%. 3/4 plus 1/4 equals 1, so 3/4 is the natural complement to the quarter. Whenever you see 25% off in a discount question, what's actually paid is 3/4 of the original. Multiples of 3/4. 3/4, 1.5, 2.25, 3, 3 3/4, 4.5. Every fourth multiple lands on a whole number, and that whole number is 3 times the multiplier. So 4 times 3/4 is 3. 8 times 3/4 is 6. 3/4 is a tidy scale factor for anything you need to shrink by a quarter. Powers of 3/4. 3/4 to the 1 is 3/4. Squared is 9/16. Cubed is 27/64. Fourth is 81/256. The pattern, numerators are powers of 3, denominators are powers of 4. So 3/4 to the n equals 3 to the n over 4 to the n, and the value gets smaller every step, but slowly, because 3/4 is close to 1. Decay by a quarter every step. Compound depreciation by 25% per year means multiplying by 3/4 each year. So after 1 year, 75% remains. After 2 years, 3/4 squared, 56.25%. After 5 years, 3/4 to the fifth, about 23.7%. The half-life of 3/4 per step is approximately 2.4 steps. This is the model for cars, phones, laptops, anything that loses a chunk each year. Key relationships. 3/4 equals 0.75 equals 75%. 3/4 plus a quarter equals 1. 3/4 squared equals 9/16. 3/4 times 4 equals 3. And 3/4 equals a half plus a quarter. Useful when you need to break it down for mental arithmetic. Spot 3/4 in a problem, and you've spotted a discount or a depreciation factor. Where 3/4 shows up in your exam, the upper quartile Q3 sits 75% through your data. Probability questions with 3 out of 4 outcomes. Discount problems, 75% off means you pay a quarter, 25% off means you pay 3/4. Compound depreciation at 25% per year is multiplying by 0.75 each step, and pie chart sectors, 270 degrees is 3/4 of a circle. Where 3/4 hides, any 3 out of 4 scenario, 270 degree angles in geometry, that's 3/4 of a circle. Quartile 3 in any statistics question, compound depreciation by 25%, and any geometric series with ratio 3/4 that the question asks you to sum. 3/4 is the go-to multiplier when a problem mentions a quarter each year. Right. If any of this is going to stick beyond this video, drop into phmaths.com. You'll find a free 4-week GCSE Higher revision planner ready to download, plus the mastery workbooks. One for every higher topic, every answer fully worked, every common slip flagged. Simple explanations, serious results. See you next video.